Yeah, so guys, as you've seen, I've covered all the places that you can visit when you come to Karura Forest. I think I've covered enough places, ndio? Kama sija cover place, comment hapa uniambie kwenye nafaa ku cover next. In the meantime, enjoy the view. Yes, that is what we call nature, eh? I'm done for the day. Until the next episode, see you when you see me. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I've just left the caves and the waterfall. I hope you guys have enjoyed what I've been able to document for you, and I also hope that it encourages you to step out and come and tour and adventure such places. Hope it motivates you to start adventuring. These steps are quite high, but finally we are done with them. We are done with them. Yeah. So all we can do now is try and get back there to the main gate as fast as we can. We need to get back to the main gate. Well, it has been quite a day of walking. Aje? Nini? Caves. Ziko unaona hapa? Teremkia hizo stairs. Ziko hata vile tulipata naye pale kwa waterfall, ungerudi tu hivi nyuma tu. Teremkia hapo. It's not easy. Kutembea kutoka kwa chini, it's not easy, man. It's not easy at all. It's quite hard. But finally, the good thing is that we are done with that. We are done with that walking. At least we are done with that walking. So, anyway, guys, I hope you've enjoyed. I hope you've been enjoying this series of what you can do while inside Karura Forest. I think the next time that we meet, the next series that I'm going to be shooting will be either Ngong Forest or Ololua Forest, one of those two. So in the next series, be assured that we'll be inside the forest also. We'll still be inside the forest. So maybe I'm thinking maybe Ololua Forest or maybe Ngong Forest. Then once we are done with those two, then maybe we can move now to other places in the country. But all I need is to look for such places, such natural places. Pia nyinyi guys, if you have any suggestions in the comment section, drop those suggestions. Niambieni, where do you want, where can we, where should I visit next? Maybe in your area, unajua, maybe there's a cool place that people get to know about, you just drop a comment, and you can be sure that the next time you see me, I might be in that place where you have suggested. Remember, we're just knowing the country together. Just you and I, getting to know the country together as much as we can. As much as we can. That's all that we can do, man. All that we can do is to try as much as we can, to learn as much as we can about our nature. That's all we can do, man. That's exactly what we're doing here. It's almost 5. Imagine we started filming at around, what time did we start filming? Let me check. We started filming at around maybe, we've been filming for close. There goes the monkeys again. There goes the monkeys. They're over there in the trees. They're over there in the trees. I think we started filming at around, let's say maybe 1:30. So 1:30, 2:30, 3:30, no, 2:30, 3:30, 4:30, 3 hours. We've been filming for close to 3 hours. We've been walking for close to 3 effing hours. That is not an easy task. That's not an easy feat. It is not an easy feat at all, at all, at all, at all. No access. Oh, this place is there. Not for access by humans, by humanoids. Hata ningepitia hapa. I'm stupid. There was no need of me going back. Ningepitia tu hapa tu. Ningefika kwenye nilikuwa nataka kufika. Stupid me. But anyway, bado we've still had a chance to adventure, sindio? We've adventured as much as we could. And at least we've got a chance to exercise our feet. You know, I need to send them. There's something that I need to do. Don't know if I'll be able to. Let's see. I don't know if I'll be able to. Inakaa better. It's easy. Let me have a seat somewhere there. Then I have some business that I need to attend to. I have some business that I need to attend to. I have some business that I need to attend to. Zitakubali kweli? I told you guys I only do raw footage. I don't cut nothing. I don't edit nothing. Should be that. Let me have a seat here. I'll catch up with you again, guys.